Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'll show you how to build a complete marketing automation strategy, from lead generation to customer retention. Let's start with the fundamentals. Marketing automation isn't just about sending emails. It's an intelligent system that works for you, nurtures potential customers, and builds long-term relationships. First step, lead generation. Create lead magnets that truly solve your target audience's problems. This could be an ebook, webinar, or free tool. The key is value, not quantity. Now, the most important part, lead nurturing. This is where the magic happens. Create an email sequence that educates and builds trust. Remember, don't sell right away, help first. Segmentation is your secret weapon. Divide your database into groups based on interests and behaviors. Personalized messages have up to 3 times higher effectiveness. Lead scoring is key. Assign points for opening emails, clicks, website visits. When someone reaches the appropriate threshold, pass them to sales. After conversion, the work doesn't end, but begins. Onboarding new customers is an important stage. New customers should be guided step by step through their first experiences with your product. Don't forget about loyalty programs and reactivation campaigns for inactive customers. Acquiring a new customer costs 5 times more than retaining an existing one. Remember, automation should be helpful, not intrusive. Always test, optimize, and listen to your community. That's all for today. If you want us to help optimize your processes, visit our website, sautomationnext.io. See you in the next episode.